MantisPod can be used as several tripods into one. Use a high or low angle. Fully extend the MantisPod. Deploy the Mantis mode, or use it as a telephone tripod. The options are endless. Unboxing and setups. Take out the MantisPod and the camera plate. Attach the camera plate onto the dovetail cold shoe mount and turn it to lock. SnapLock plate setup. MantisPod Pro uses the patented SnapLock system to make your camera setup more efficient. We got rid of the tedious traditional knob and created a SnapLock plate that is mounted in one easy step. It even locks extra securely to offer increased safety. The patented SnapLock plate is Arca-Swiss compatible and contains a tight fitting screw to avoid it coming undone like traditional quick-release plates often do. From a handheld selfie stick to a high-angle tripod, the MantisPod bends at the perfect angle if you want to use it as a selfie stick. You can also unfold two legs to switch from selfie stick to standalone tripod without having to adjust the camera. Tripod height adjustments. You can easily capture content using different angles by adjusting the height of the MantisPod. Push the button, the main leg, and the main axis simultaneously, and then rotate the main leg to the middle position according to the indication point. Push the button on the main axis to tilt the camera plate to any desired position. Handheld mode to extended mode. Push the button on the main leg and the main axis simultaneously. Then open the main leg to the top position according to the indication point. Unlock the camera plate and push it down to detach the camera plate. Attach the camera plate on the dovetail cold shoe mount. Turn to lock and use it as an extended selfie stick. Handheld mode to Mantis mode. Unfold two legs and take out the hook to hang the MantisPod. 3 supporting points form a stable and very secure triangle on even surfaces. Note: please ensure you use the Mantis mode as follows. The hanging surface is less than 90 mm thick, and the 3 legs of the tripod are set up on the supporting surface. We advise against using the Mantis mode by only using one tripod leg and leaving the other leg suspended, regardless of how slim the hanging surface is. Please avoid using Mantis mode on moving objects, such as vehicles, boats, etc. Selfie to landscape mode. SnapLock Mini reverse ball head and base plate are both capable of 360-degree rotations. Unlock the panoramic view or push the button on the base plate to adjust the camera and switch from selfie to landscape view in seconds. Mobile vlogging mode. Use your phone to instantly share your content shot with the MantisPod's built-in mini phone holder. Unfold the mini phone holder and mount it onto the 1/4-inch screw on the base plate or the Arca-Swiss slot on the SnapLock Mini reverse ball head. Attach accessories such as lights to the cold shoe mount on top. Cold shoe mount. There's a cold shoe mount on MantisPod's side to attach accessories such as mics and lights. Rotate the accessories to adjust the angle. SnapLock Mini reverse ball head, flip to vertical. SnapLock Mini reverse ball head is omnidirectional. Unlock the ball head to rotate or flip to portrait mode. MantisPod. All-round vlogging tripod. See more, do more.